Good afternoon. This is a informational outlook on the Cartier Santos Jumbo clock. We just did a battery refresh, a clean, and a calibration, as well as we're going to be showing you how the alarm works and sounds on this particular rare vintage clock. That is the correct time. We just changed it. The bottom pin in between the two pins, the one on the 5, is the alarm pin. That's going to be turned to the correct time after I pull the alarm pin in the back. Here's the alarm pin in the back. I'll be pulling it. Once that's pulled, you go to where the alarm in the front, you'll see the pin at 5. That's going to be turned until we hear it play. There she is. She's playing like a beauty. And now this clock can now be shipped to the West Coast.